They'd also moved the leaders there to the Supreme Court, seeking to restrain states from carrying out lower court's order for survey of religious places. The petition that has been filed by Congress spokesperson Alok Sharma and party activist Priya Mishra have sought a stay on the proceedings related to claims over religious structures. Their plea contends that all of the petitions seeking survey of religious places are in violation of the Places of Worship Act 1991.
इसमें हमारी दो मेन प्रेयर है कि जो हाई कोर्ट के द्वारा पास ऑर्डर है, इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट की खंडपीठ ने जो पास ऑर्डर किया था, उस ऑर्डर के बाद से पूरे भारत देश में सर्वे की जैसी बात टाइप किया गई है। ट्रायल कोर्ट में कोई भी जाता है और सर्वे की बहुतायत तरीके से सर्वे की डिमांड शुरू हो जाती है। मुझे लगता है कि पहली प्रेयर पहले से ही बैठी रहती है और तुरंत कमिश्नर साहब वहां पहुंच भी जाते हैं सर्वे के लिए। इसमें तत्काल रोक होनी चाहिए। तो जो द वर्शिप एक्ट है हमारा 1991 का, तो पहले तो हाई कोर्ट का जो ऑर्डर है उस पर स्टे होना चाहिए और उसके बाद फॉलोइंग होनी चाहिए जो 1991 का एक्ट है।
The BJP meanwhile has hit out at the Congress both for sending a delegation to Sambhal and moving to the Supreme Court seeking direction to the states not to act on survey orders passed by lower courts. Union Minister Giriraj Singh says the Congress party's visit to Sambhal is for vote bank politics, claiming that when Hindus face persecution, Congress leaders do not speak up. BJP also accused the Congress of hypocrisy, saying Congress party wants the Waqf to have unlimited and unchecked powers to lay claim over properties, but they want to restrain Hindu petitioners from seeking their rights to practice their religion.
कांग्रेस वोट बैंक की राजनीति करती है। प्रो इस्लाम उनको वोट दिखता है मुसलमानों के साथ, इसीलिए वो संभल जा रहे हैं और किसी ऐसे हिंदुओं के ऊपर अगर होता है तो वहां इनकी जुबान नहीं खुलती।
कांग्रेस का दोहरा चरित्र, दोहरा मापदंड सामने आया है। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी चाहती है कि वक्फ अगर कोई क्लेम करे तो उसे अनलिमिटेड पावर्स हो और वक्फ ट्राइब्यूनल में जाए, कोर्ट में ना जाए। पर अगर कोई हिंदू याचिका करता अगर अपने धार्मिक अधिकारों को या अपने अधिकार को लेकर किसी सिविल कोर्ट में जाए और वहां पर कोई क्लेम करे, तो कांग्रेस चाहती है कि वो क्लेम एंटरटेन ना हो, सिविल कोर्ट इसको एंटरटेन ना करे, लोअर कोर्ट उसको एंटरटेन ना करे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस पर प्रतिबंध लगा दे, रोक लगा दे। मतलब राम गोपाल यादव कहते हैं लोअर कोर्ट आग लगाते हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी चाहती है लोअर कोर्ट जुडिशियरी जो है फैसला ही ना दे जो उनके मन मुताबिक ना हो।
Let's get in a word from Harish also, who is joining us right now. Harish, even when it comes to the validity of other surveys that have been conducted or have been ordered, that is also being challenged in this said prayer.
Yes, Amita, remember the Congress has moved Supreme Court seeking a direction from the Supreme Court to stay all these surveys, but it is to be remembered that it is this very Supreme Court that had given a green signal for the survey in Gyanvapi Mosque and also at Bodhshala, refusing to stay the lower court orders. But yes, the Congress may be within its right to seek Supreme Court stay on surveys and a direction to states to comply with Places of Worship Act. But the question, there is a very weird prayer in the petition. It says, direct the respondent states not to execute any order of the court directing them to carry survey of religious structures / mosque in the contravention of the place of worship. So the question is, does the Congress expect the Supreme Court to pass a blanket order asking states not to comply with or execute High Court or lower court orders? Will the Supreme Court ever ask states not to implement lower court orders? For that, there is a procedure established by law. Aggrieved state or parties need to approach High Court. But Supreme Court will never issue such a blanket order to the lower courts or the High Courts not to comply. In fact, never issue any order to states not to comply with the orders of the lower court or High Court. But we'll have to wait and watch how the Supreme Court reacts when such a once this matter is listed
well,
for
we'll
hearing.
keep an eye out on the developments there. Thank you very much, Harish, for joining in. Well, that has been the Sambhal story and how delegations are attempting to reach the area and, of course, a petition that has now been taken up in the Supreme Court as well. Let's, in the meantime,